Good morning from Pocahontas State Park, Virginia. We got a later start than we wanted to because we were hoping the sun would come through the tent and wake us up early. But now it's about 8:30, so we're gonna start taking the tent down and getting ready and then hit the road for South Carolina because that's our destination for today. So we're staying at a campsite which has an electrical and water hookup. And so there's a spot for a car, a picnic table, a place to hang your garbage, and then the tent site. And then over here where you can charge your phones and get water for the day. Now let's get rid of this tent, put it in the car, and head out. We're heading out of Pocahontas State Park now.
1 mile, turn left onto Bundle Road.
In 1 mile, we're turning left onto Bundle Road. And we're heading to Walmart right now. We just have to pick up some stuff. And then we're on the road again to South Carolina. Also gonna stop for gas because it was super cheap around here. So hopefully it will still be cheap near the Walmart. And so we'll see. Megan is home, back at her favorite place. Breathe that fresh Walmart air. Weirdest bumper sticker I've ever seen. Just says Harry Styles in this weird font. All right, we're done with Walmart. We're gonna hit the road. I've changed my shirt because it is crazy hot out here.
I'm making PB&Js.
So we're gonna have lunch now soonish on the road, and I'm gonna start driving. So here we go. Just got to our campsite in South Carolina. We're staying in the Francis Marion National Forest at Buck Hall Recreation Center. There's only 5 non-electric tent sites, and so we got the 5th one. We just parked. It's $15 a night. We're gonna go to a gas station soon and get cash. But we're about to set up the tent. Luckily we can do that in the daylight this time, and then we can explore and have some time to walk around, kind of see the beach. There's a really cool pier really nearby. So we are both starving, so we're about to make dinner. We have soup, applesauce, and bread. But I've got my cool camping stove, so I'm excited to show you guys. Yeah. Without cares and worn out clothes, doesn't seem so long ago. I'm just sitting here bored at home. And it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road.
Love it.
I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting to.
We just saw a dolphin.
I'm so mad we didn't get it on film. I was taking a time lapse and then suddenly a dolphin just comes out of the water and goes back down. And so I instantly stopped the time lapse and grabbed my camera, and it comes back up one more time and then down, and I point the camera at it and I don't get it, and now it's gone.
And I swear I was taking a video of it and somehow it's not on my phone. But oh my gosh, no one's gonna believe us.
I'm so mad I didn't get that on film. This is the last place I would have expected for a dolphin to be. So that was just an insane sight. Like, this is just like a tiny body of water. I can see the other end really clearly. Okay, so we are practically on the Atlantic Ocean. There's this tiny little marsh, and then on the other side of it is the Atlantic Ocean. So it makes sense that there'd be a dolphin now. That's just insane to see one. So I really hope we'll see more. It's funny how times roll by. Alright, I'm really upset that we weren't able to get the dolphin on film. But we're gonna wake up really early tomorrow and hang out by the dock again because it's really beautiful and just really cool that it leads right into the Atlantic Ocean there.
I love it so much.
So right now we're about to brush our teeth and then call it a night. So we're gonna go to bed, but we'll see you guys in the morning.
I can't remember what we did